Theories of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is built on a combination of several key theories and techniques. Here are the main ones. Language modeling. ChatGPT is a language model at its core. Language modeling is a statistical technique used to predict the next word in a sequence of words given the previous context. It is trained on large amounts of text data and learns the patterns and structures of language. Deep learning. ChatGPT is based on deep learning, a subfield of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks with multiple layers to process and learn from data. Deep learning models, such as the transformer architecture used in GPT 3.5, can capture complex relationships in language data and generate coherent and contextually appropriate responses. Transformer architecture. The transformer architecture is a key component of ChatGPT. It was introduced in a seminal paper called "Attention is All You Need" by Vaswani et al. In 2017. Transformers use self-attention mechanisms to process input sequences and capture dependencies between words or tokens. This attention mechanism allows the model to focus on relevant input parts when generating responses. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is a learning paradigm where an agent learns to make decisions or take actions in an environment to maximize a reward signal. In the case of ChatGPT, reinforcement learning has been used in the fine-tuning process to improve the model's responses. Human AI trainers provide comparison data where they rank different model-generated responses. The model is then fine-tuned using proximal policy optimization to optimize for better response ranking. Transfer learning. ChatGPT employs transfer learning, which involves pre-training a model on a large corpus of text data and then fine-tuning it on a more specific task. The initial pre-trained model, such as GPT-3, is trained on a massive dataset containing diverse sources of text from the internet. Fine-tuning is performed on a narrower dataset that is carefully generated with human feedback and demonstrations to make the model more useful for conversation. Large-scale data collection. To train models like GPT 3.5, an enormous amount of data is required. OpenAI uses web scraping techniques to collect a vast and diverse range of text from the internet. This data is then used to train the initial language model. These theories and techniques enable ChatGPT to generate human-like responses and engage in interactive and coherent conversations with users. It leverages the power of deep learning, transfer learning, and reinforcement learning to provide meaningful and contextually appropriate responses in a wide range of conversational scenarios.